unluckily you actually gotten cancer today,
Mm.
would you rather it be stage 1 or stage 4?
Of course, stage 1.
Of course, right? Who
Yeah,
who
of
in the world
course.
wants to be stage 4, right? You know, by the time it comes to stage 4, number one is difficult to treat.
Yeah.
Number two, it's going to be very costly. Yeah,
Mm.
and most of the time it may not even work, right? Even if it's costly, it may not even work in the first place.
Yeah.
So any complication is the same. Whether it is blockage in the heart, whether it's a hearing loss, whether the later you delay, it's more difficult to actually treat. It's more expensive and it's more difficult to treat, and the failure rate is higher.
One thing to highlight is also a lot of times people think that I still can hear, it's okay, I don't need to do anything. But what they don't know is that the impact of hearing loss. Some research already show that people with moderate hearing loss, they had 3 times more chances to get dementia compared to those who don't have hearing loss at all. Those who have severe hearing loss, they got 5 times more, meaning 500% increased risk to get dementia. So nowadays, there's a saying that we no longer say that the hearing is only helps to overcome your hearing loss or communication issue, but helps to protect your brain. So even in audiology, now I recommend all my patients minimum hours to use the hearing is 8 hours a day. If you use lesser than that, you don't get the benefit. You don't get the hearing aids to helps to prevent the dementia that could happen on you. Yeah. And some more those who always have delay their treatment of hearing loss, eventually they need to spend more because their processing towards sound is no longer that sharp.
Yes.
It's just like muscle. You have to keep on training your muscle, then you gain the strength. But if you're not training your nerve, your hearing nerves, you don't training your hearing organs, eventually you lose it. So by the time you put on the hearing aids, even though we amplified the sound to the level that you can hear it now, it does not mean that your brain can understand the sounds. If your brain cannot understand the sound, then you require to get a higher processing power hearing aids, which means more expensive hearing aids to give you higher quality sound clarity as well and better noise reduction. All this is count as is actually quite expensive. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the more you delay, actually you just increase the cost for in future lah. Yeah.
Yeah. So, audience, please do not delay if you already show some symptoms, because healthy hearing is healthy lifestyle.